Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to set up TikTok Ads Manager and business account in 2025. First, you'll have to go to the link that I will leave down below in the description, or you can simply search for TikTok for Business. And once you get to this page, you should now click on Get Started button, and now it will ask you to enter your own email and password in order to create the account, or you can simply click on Use Phone in order to use your phone number. But here in my case, I will choose my email and you should type the passwords right here. And the password should contain letters, numbers, and special signs or symbols. After that, click on continue. I forgot to tell you that you can sign up with TikTok itself. Now it will show you a puzzle. You'll have to solve it. Select two objects that are the same shape. Then click on confirm. Then now you have to confirm your email. So you should go and open the inbox of your email. Then type here the confirmation password or the OTP. And here you will have to enter all these details. You have to choose the industry. Let's say that I will have it 3C computers. Then here the business name G phone, for example. This is just for the demonstration. And here you'll have to enter the mobile number. Then you should check this box down below right here. Then click on get started. And now it will show you here this page. Now you will have to enter all the data, including the full name, email, industry, phone number, and monthly budget. I will type here this monthly budget. Then here you should select the platform. Let's say that I will select TikTok, for example. Then add Google. Add anything that you actually advertise on. The country here, I'll choose anything, just let's say France, for example. Then here you should enter the full name. Then click on next after you enter all these details. And here you can see that you have submitted successfully. Now they will contact you as soon as possible and tell you exactly if your request is approved or not. But in most cases, they will apply for your request. And after that, you will be able to use your account in order to advertise on your TikTok account and reach many audience. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.